Hey, how y'all doing out there? I'm back with you with another video. Today I want to talk about, does animations matter on smartphones? Do animations matter on smartphones? Now I say for me, yes, they do matter. It's an extra, it's, I don't know, it makes it look fun, adds a little extra oomph, a little style to your device, what animation it makes when you're hitting the fingerprint sensor, what animation it makes when you plug it up to wirelessly charge or wired charging, and how it goes in and out of apps. Like those things matter to me. For the average consumer, something like that probably doesn't even matter. But this is something that Fossey Carter had brought up on one of his videos a few months ago about how he likes different animations and animations matter. I agree with him. They do matter, and they matter to me, definitely. So, but everybody, I know they don't. But I just want you to see why they do matter to me. So I got 5 different smartphones on this table that have 5 different animations, depending on which one you're using. Now, there's 2 phones here that does not have wireless charging, so I can't put them on the wireless charging dock so you can see how they look because they don't have wireless charging. That would be the Oneplus 7T Pro and the Honor Note 10. But they do have unique animations when you plug them into a wired charger. And I'm going to start with my Note 10 Plus. Now, I'm going to be honest, when it comes to animation, the Samsung is like womp womp, like nobody cares, like it's nothing. So I'm going to bring this wireless charger up so you can see it. Put the phone on it and you'll see. That's all you see. You see a little round circle. I'm going to put it on there again so you can see. That's all you're getting. So all you're getting is a little circle. See, that's all you get. That's lame. That's really lame. All right? So say you're hitting the fingerprint sensor. So now, that's all you're getting is that little circle. That's it. Press it again. That's it. So when it comes to animations, when you're, and I'll plug it up because it's pretty much the same when you plug it up. I'm going to plug it up. You're going to see the same thing you saw when I put it on the wired charger. Same old boring animation, nothing. So Samsung does a very poor job when it comes to animations for wireless charging, wired charging, and the fingerprint sensor. Boring. All right, let's check out the OnePlus 7T Pro. So since this has no wireless charging, we're going to plug it up wired. We're going to plug it up and check out the animation. See, I'm not saying it's the biggest thing, but it's something. Okay? Now, let's check out the fingerprint sensor. Nice animation. Let me do it again. So you get a nice little animation. You get some haptic feedback. You don't get any of that on the Note 10 Plus. Not the biggest deal, but like I said, it's something that I like and something that I notice. So let's try the Honor Note 10. It doesn't have any wireless charging, so we're just going to use the wired connection. But it still has a nice animation. Check this out. Look at that. Like, that's cool. The little bubbles going up there like it's giving it power. Like, that's cool. I like that. Like, why wouldn't you like that? Let me let y'all see that again. I like that. That is so cool. Like, why wouldn't you not like that? Like, I love that. That's cool. All right. So that gives you a really nice animation. And this has super fast charging built into it also. So it charges really, really fast. So that was the Honor Note 10. This is the biggest phone that I have at almost 7 inches. And it's super wide. Huge. Now, Xiaomi, I'm trying to pronounce that right. Xiaomi has the best animations on a smartphone, period, in my opinion. Now, I'll start off with the fingerprint sensor. Did y'all see that? Let me get it a little closer. Look at that swirl. I love that. That's an animation. That's what I'm talking about, okay? Let me put it on the wireless charger. Okay, hold up. Sorry, I got to bring it a little closer so you can see. All right. So I'm going to stick it on here. You checked out this animation. Look at that. That's nice. I like that. Gotta like that. When you sit it on a wireless charger and you see that animation that says turbocharge, like, that's cool. And it lasts for like a good, I don't know, almost 10 seconds. I mean, that's cool. Like, I love that. All right. All right. So let me plug it up. And it gives you a different animation when you plug it in. And I really love that too. Check this out, y'all. Now, see how it looks like it's giving power to the phone? Now, that's totally different than what it did wirelessly. So you get two different animations, wirelessly and wired. And this one is cool too, and it lasts the same duration of time. So Xiaomi makes the best animations, period. Wirelessly, wired, and the fingerprint sensor. Love it. My favorite. Samsung need to step their game up. And here we go with the LG Wing. So with wireless charging, we'll plug this in because it does have wireless charging. Womp womp. Nothing. You didn't even see nothing. You saw a little thing disappear right here. If you look closely, that's all you saw. Just nothing. Like, really nothing at all. Look closely. All you saw was like something, a little animation there in the middle of the screen. Boring. Nothing happening, all right? So let me plug it in. Turn the screen off. Plug it in. Nothing. All you got was something down here. Let me unplug it again so you can see. All you got is that right there. That's it. Nothing else. Fingerprint sensor, you actually get a little animation with that. But that's pretty much it. So LG, this is boring too. So when it comes to overall animations with your smartphone, it's definitely going to be Xiaomi. And I know that this doesn't matter to everybody. You know, somebody probably saying, why would he even care about that? I care about stuff like that because when you're spending your money, and these phones are not cheap, okay? If you like the high-end type of phones like me, I like the flagship devices. I want as much for my money as possible. I want value. And you could add something like that to my phone. It makes my phone feel extra special to me. That's just me, because I'm into tech. It makes my phones feel special, and it's something my phone can do that your phone can't do. Now, Xiaomi is just not about It's not just about animation. This phone charges super fast. 50-watt wired charging. 43 minutes, the thing is fully charged from 0 to 100. And with wireless charging, 30-watt wireless charging, I can charge this phone in 58 minutes from 0 to 100, less than an hour. None of these other phones on this table can do that. The only one that probably could charge less than an hour, I would say my Note 10 Plus, because it has 45-watt super fast charging. So I'll put that in the same category as far as the charging speeds when it comes. Now, but that's wired though. The Xiaomi is charging my phone wirelessly in less than an hour. This is doing it with a wired charger, but wirelessly it takes 2.5 hours. And of course, the OnePlus 7T Pro, it'll take over an hour to wired charge this phone. This one over an hour, and this one way over an hour, like an hour and a half. So it ain't just about animations with Xiaomi. When you see that turbocharge and you see the way the animation is looking like it's putting juice into the battery, that's the real deal right there. That's just not something to placate you. That's real, charging speeds going on. So that was just my quick video about, does animations matter on smartphones? I say yes to me. They may not matter to you, but they definitely matter to me because I'm all about getting as much for my money as possible. So thank you very much for taking the time to view this content. I do appreciate it. And I hope you guys out there staying safe. And I'll check you guys out in the next one. Peace.